Last week, our economics class worked on free markets and imperfect markets. Have you ever been to Sam's Club or Costco and you see the aisles and aisles of incredible amounts of bulk that is sold not really for a good deal, but it's perceived as a really good deal, so everyone has to buy a bulk amount? The aisle that really amazes me is the caged in part of the cigarettes. And cigarettes, of course, are as unhealthy as you can get, but consider how much a pack of cigarettes is, $5, $6, and you buy it for a carton for $40, $50, and in a case that comes at the back of the warehouse, about 20 to 30. So the standard box, which is about 30 times 40 or $50 times a pack of cigarettes, about $60, means you could buy a case for about $1,500. If there was something that you could sell one a day at $1,200, you would be affecting an imperfect market that may be in somewhat of a recession, but you would be making part of your monopoly of need, which is the way smokes are sold to smokers, and they are sold for a premium, and they are profit heavy. If you could figure out any other item that has that kind of need in this society, you would be making a profit heavy in an imperfect market. Don't like smokes, but I do like the profit margin. Something to think about.